Hey guys, Louise Flores from Bella Luna Imagines here. I just wanted to do a flip through of my personal wide rings from Pression. So right on the front here I have a silver embossed Simply Gold bow. And down here the charms are from Simply Gilded subscription box. It's really cute, very shiny, bounces off all these different colors as well as this bow. So let's just dive right in. So for this planner, I made it pretty much like a home planner. This stays at home, and then I did like girl boss stuff and different things with my shop. So I'm gonna set this planner up for that. So the Disney Princess paper is from the the Honey Bee shop. It's a subscription that she had. I believe it was in February. So these papers are from there. And then this TPS Girls from a TPS kit. This is from the Clarity Simply Gilded subscription box. I thought it was really beautiful, and I love the way it goes with the planner. And this is the washi from there as well. You can see on the top and bottom. Then on the back I just did like the washi tape from that box as well. And this pocket, I don't know if you can see it, but it's flowers on it, and it's from the Honey Bee shop. So you can put stuff in there too. I liked how the rose gold went with it. And for these like charms, you just loop them through the rings like so, like this, and just adjust it how you want it, and then it just hangs from the bottom like so. This is a journaling card from Sweet Kawaii Designs. It says today is a hot cocoa kind of day, especially with all this rain we've been having here in New Jersey. And then this is just the back of it. It has some snowflakes on it. I'll probably take that one out because now it's spring. This is a pocket from the Planner Society. Just has silver bows on it. This is another one of those TPS Girls. You're going to see a lot of them because I just laminated them and thought they were really cute, and I just cut them up. This is a freebie Friday from Sweet Kawaii Designs. It just has a lot of 90s things on it. I thought it was so cute. I love it. And then this is just a little square journaling card from, what is it? The Planner Sophisticate, I think. It's just, when I bought this planner, it came with this card, and it has the Pression coupon code that you can use on her website for her printables. So this is actually a B6 notebook from a Simply Gilded box. So I just cut out the string from the notebook and then just punched the holes and put it in here. So that's why it might be a little bit bigger than other things in here. So I think this one was the Celebrate subscription box. That's a Simply Gilded bow. I love this pattern. I have to buy more of these, and it has rose gold foiling around it. I love these floral bows. So in this notebook I just had dot grid paper with a bunch of different colors. So these are just some shops that I like at the Outlet by us. Some of my favorites in Bath & Body Works, Lush, planner shops, and of course I love so many more, but I just wrote down a few. Favorite drinks. Let's see, planning events around me, New Jersey, and New York. Just some little things I jotted down. Just like playing with this one, what was it, a gel pen from Simply Gilded box. Oh yeah, I just put this down so I can print out some inserts and cut them up. So here I just did some activities that are around us, some fall activities, summer activities, and of course I'm going to write a bunch more down. So this next page is just my finances. So I have this little unicorn bow page marker bookmark thing to just make sure I skip over that. So this is just some things I want to do around the house, some like DIY projects with my husband. And then these are how the pages look blank. I just really love how she did different colors, and it's dot grid. And then with these black pages you can actually use white gel pen, and I think like other different colors that are light gel pens would be good on here. And then this is the back of that notebook, and it just says celebrate with gold and silver foiling. This is the journeying card from the Honeybee shop. It was just in like a random order. I think it was like a grab bag. This paper is actually tissue paper from a Toki Doki order that I had to the house, and it just comes with this tissue paper, so I laminated it. I just really like it. These to-do pages are from, what are those called? The Recollection Planners, so I just kept that paper and I'm just going to use it. I like that it's all numbered and you can just check off or color in the circle when it's done, or I just usually just scribble it out. And then these are just some Blue Bear pages that I had forever from Morning Glory, and this little girl, Funny Love. I don't know what her name is, so I just did like a bunch of those pages in here. And then this is also from the Simply Gilded subscription box, one of the B6 notebooks. And this one just had plain paper. So I can draw with this, I can do like a daily, I can do so many different things. So this page dashboard marker, the paper is from the Honeybee Shop February subscription kit. These die cuts that came with the kit are actually stickers, so I just put this on here and it has silver hollow on it. It's really pretty. These little sayings on here are from TPS kit. And then I just made this into a pocket because I wanted it to match up with the girls. So this is a pocket right here. This Boss Babe insert is from Lights Planner Action. So it's from last year, as you can see, 2019. So I just whited out the numbers on here and used it for this year. And it actually starts in April, so I just fixed it. I just whited out the numbers and put in this year's. I really don't like how it looks with the white out, but whatever. It's not going to be like framed or anything, so I just love how she did all these. So with the month overview, with the notes, inventory goals, new releases, promotions to do, to check down the followers that you have, to keep an eye on that. Let's see. And then with each week, just a little space for you to put stuff in. And then a topic of what you want to post on social media, then to-dos, follow-ups, and brain dump. I thought that was kind of cool. And I actually saw this on the Planner Society's Instagram page last year. Thought it was really cool. So that's how it goes. This is from April, May, and June. Yeah, it's Lights Planner Action. I think she's on Etsy. I don't know if she has her own website yet. And this is another one of those dashboards that I made with the TPS, Word, and this little, I don't know, I guess it's like a banner. That's kind of what it's like. And then the Honeybee Shop paper and some more TPS girls. This insert is from Annie Plans. So this is just a week on 2 page. So it has all the days of the week. This little bow header and just some graph paper for you to jot down things or put to-do lists, and then this can also be a to-do list and tracker. So I thought that was really nice. I really like how these bows are different colors. So they have a green, let's see, like a burgundy and a peach color. That's that insert. Really pretty layout on these pages. And then this is another dashboard with the Honeybee Shop paper, TPS girl. And this is another Annie Plans printable. I don't know why it came out black with the background, but it's fine. I like it. It's pretty. And then you'll see the bows in here. So this is, it could be like a daily, a day on one page. But like, you can put like hours or to-do lists and then whatever you want to put over here. And this background came out black too. I don't know why it did that with my printer, but whatever. It's still usable and it's nice. Pink and black is cute. And then you'll see like these little like grayed bows on the side here. So these are good too. And then the back of this, I just have some die cut stickers. So this is from the Bee Shop. This is a Toki Doki sticker with the, this is from that purchase that I made with the bag that I got and that tissue paper. It's really cute. And then this is a washi tape card, just has different colors. And I love this bow. I love these colors too. And then on the back it has swans and this like a darker green color bow with rose gold. And this one's like a hollow foil on it. So this just has so many pockets. And then this is from a note paper that I have. I thought it was so cute, this little marshmallow guy having some like hot chocolate. So I just stuck him in the back here in the middle. And that's more of that Honey Bee Shop paper. And then in the pocket, I just have some of those Honey Bee Shop stickers, die cuts. So it has all the princesses, Jasmine, Pocahontas, Snow White, Cinderella, Belle, and Mulan. I'm so sad we're not able to see Mulan yet, but hopefully when all this craziness with the coronavirus is over, we can have it in our movie theaters and Aurora. And then just some Minnie Mouse headband and some balloons and the Princess Castle. So that is my little quick little flip through of my Pression personal wide rings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you can please give it a thumbs up, leave me any comments or questions or other videos you would like to see. I'm so proud of myself that I did a video each weekend in March. Awesome, I'm so happy about that. So if you guys could please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!